First stop, right? Always in the gas station. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. In the gas station again, doing the intro. Where we going today? Oh, look at that jacket.
Oof.
Ooh.
That's where we're going.
That's where we're going.
You know the vibes.
All right.
2025.
2025. Let's go.
Les hablo muy de oso.
All right, we just got to the track. Nah, we didn't really. Just got to the track. We've been out here sleeping in the car for a little bit. But we about to go in. Look at the sunrise. All right. We got parked in the pretty much VIP parking lot with all the riders, all the managers. Yo, what's up? Look at Jose over there with that red jacket. Like pink and green. Yep, green. Where we going? Where we going? We're going in. We gotta go set up. Yeah, babe. You gotta be here. Yeah, of course. Yeah, what's this? Yeah. All right, we made it to the pits. Oh my God. I think you gotta do a line for at least an hour to get an autograph from Deegan. Jeez. Let's look over there. They don't practice right now and people are lining up like crazy. Yo, Jose, you gotta get one of those suits like that.
You want to do a special What's up?
Yeah. You gotta get a suit like that.
Oh, yeah.
How many championships they got? Look at that truck. Oh my God. Levi! Porsche! None of them are here today. For the giveaway. Yeah, Malcolm, get it.
No, get in there.
Oh, sorry.
Cheers.
Salt Creek. Hot Break 2025, baby.
Let's go.
All right, we're here. Practice is over.
I'm gonna tell you one thing.
Tell him.
You on the stage or you on the train?
You on the train?
No.
Nosotros andamos de motocross hoy.
Es que el helicóptero venía a buscar. Mira, mira allá, mira allá.
Velo allá. Hay que hacer un zoom in ahí, pan.
¡Fua! Eso viene a buscar ahorita, ¿oíste?
Adivina.
Special edition. ¡Fua!
Yeah, it's more technical. You can see everything and air conditioning.
You got it, you got it.
Yo, Valley, who's that right there? Is that Jet Lawrence?
I think so.
The motocross champion? 50 guy?
Eso es. I am Nunez, track guy.
Truck guy?
Track.
I thought that was Jet Lawrence.
No, Jet Lawrence.
Oh, all right, all right.
Track guy.
Is that Jet Lawrence? No, Jet Lawrence.
Yeah, he says that him.
Yo, talk to me about the race, bro.
Akachuki, yo, this is on fire. On fire. I called it.
No.
You know what it is?
You know what it is right here. Oh, he got first motor. That's Jet Lawrence. Or Jet Lawrence is right here.
Aquí estoy.
Aquí estoy. First motor winner. Oh, that guy over there. Nah, you the first motor winner.
Track winner.
250. Moto 2 was a wrap. Hunter actually got jet for the overall. And I think it's RJ or Justin Cooper for third, but I'll check that out. And let's see what Moto 2 has to offer for 250s. Let's go. Julian went down, so they had to do a restart.
That was Hugel, but the first time that we were able to see it in action.
Reporting live, I'm taking over the camera. Yeah, let's go. Hello, 1 footer. Gang.
Work smarter, not harder.
You know what it is.
Don't let that fall.
Hey, you know, whenever you need, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Well, I've been here twice to witness Deegan's championships back to back.
My first time. Great race. Great event. Appreciate you.
Hell yeah.
Good stuff, man.
Oh, watch out.
Next year we're here.
All right, let's see what else I'm gonna run into.
They not done yet. You know,
we did a lap around the pits and started asking what they handed. We got goggles, plastic, jerseys. What else you got?
Watch the shirt.
A whole bunch of signatures.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh no, we set. Hey! Hey, all right, boys. Yo, what do you think?
Huh?
We got everything, bro.
¿Qué es lo que tú dices?
Those guys. ¿Qué me trajiste? Mierda, ¿qué es lo que? ¿Y la mía?
And the plastic. Uy.
¿Y la mía? ¿Dónde está?
Lo que mío es tuyo.
Eso.
Oh yeah. There's the morning after the race. I didn't get to record an outro, but I'm doing it now. I I guess we go home now after, you know, having a great night at the hotel. We went to the baseball game.
Baseball game. We famous.
We famous. Oh yeah, we
Top
famous.
golf. Casino. Bikes. Baltimore. We outside, baby.
All right. Like and subscribe.
See you next year.